Hello everybody, I'm in Shinjuku again with two friends, my friend from Chiba and the other friend I've been spending like all this month with, and yeah, we just wanted to meet up because my Chiba friend didn't meet her yet, and we're like we're like this friends. Yeah, my friend never have names, not even in my blog posts. Yeah. I'm just a friend. Don't discuss. So we're here now to eat brunch, because we haven't had breakfast yet. Dinner. Yeah. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. We're probably going to go on the government building because my Chiba friend didn't go there yet. So my Chiba friend got a kimchi udon, and we both got cheese udon. And I got the set this time with miso soup and some vegetable because I just wanted vegetable. Oh, schade. Das am Anfang. Das? Ja. Ich mag den Apfel, oder das? Ja, okay, dann Apfel. Ja. Okay. But as you can see, peach water is the best. You can get this in 7-Eleven. We decided to go to the government building now because it's almost 4 and we can get to the one building before 5 and there are less people. So we're going now. Shinjuku station is so big, like we are just walking from the east exit to the exit where we can go to the government building, and we've been walking for a while now. This is the second time we try to go to the government building and we got lost again. We always get lost in Shinjuku because Shinjuku station is so big and it's so hard to find things here. So we managed to find the government building and we're on the south building again first because we want to go to the north building afterwards for the night view. changing the building now. We're going to the north building because the other one is closing. I love cats. I love white cats. I love all cats.
Was macht das? Nichts, ist einfach nur angenehm. Was ist das denn hier? Ja, weil ich glaube, die vibrieren.
So we're in a cafe and yeah, decided to get something to eat. She got a chocolate cake. I got an EB avocado sandwich and she also got a chocolate cake. We just stayed for a few hours in that cafe and it's dark already and it's cold and windy, very windy today. So my friends left already, it's quite late again, and yeah, we did a lot of catching up and talking, so that's why I didn't vlog that much today, and we also didn't do that much, just talking. And yeah, I have to go to the train now, so I will end this vlog here. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye!